Hello. I hope you're also thinking of ways to save the only planet we're on, and, in the meantime, a way to save money after every party without throwing away hundreds of balloons. So today I'm going to try out the balloon plastic seal clamp clips. I like the idea that in this way I can use the balloons several times. I bought 100 of these V-shaped balloon seal clips to test. This pack costs less than $4. They are like little pegs that you can push closed. These clips can be opened with a sharp knife or screwdriver. Most likely, your party balloons are sealed with a knot that is almost impossible to open. This means that after every party the balloons are smashed and thrown in the trash on our planet. The use of these clips is quite simple. You blow up the balloon and roll up the end of the rubber, and put the clips on. To test if these seal clips really work, I used them on about 100 balloons. The important thing is to push these clips all the way in, until the second stage closes. It is useful to use pliers to close the clips. It will be more comfortable if you have to seal a lot of balloons. These balloon seal clips are quite easy to open. You just need a small flat screwdriver, but be careful not to puncture the balloon. This is a really good solution to be able to use the balloons several times and save your money and planet. Thank you. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck.